My mother is one of the most important and special people in my life. Her name is Amina. She is 45 years old and she is a wonderful woman. She is kind, loving, patient and always ready to help others. She takes care of our family every single day. And she does it with a smile on her face. My mother is a housewife and she works very hard at home. She wakes up early every morning, usually before everyone else. She goes to the kitchen and starts preparing breakfast for the whole family. She makes tea, coffee, bread with cheese or jam, and sometimes eggs. Her breakfast is always delicious. After breakfast, she cleans the house. She sweeps the floor, washes the dishes and tidies the rooms. She also washes our clothes and folds them neatly. Our home is always clean and comfortable because of her. She is not only hardworking but also very talented. My mother is an amazing cook. She knows how to prepare many traditional dishes. My favorite dish is her couscous with vegetables and meat. Every Friday, she makes a big lunch and the whole family eats together. She also bakes cakes and cookies. I always enjoy helping her in the kitchen, and she teaches me how to cook. My mother is also my teacher at home. She helps me with my schoolwork. When I don't understand something, she explains it slowly and clearly. She always encourages me to study hard and do my best. She tells me that education is very important. She wants me to succeed in life and have a good future. She is very patient and calm. Even when she is tired or busy, she never shouts at us. She listens to us, gives us advice, and solves our problems. She teaches me good manners. She always says, respect others, tell the truth and be kind. I try to follow her advice every day. On weekends, we sometimes go to visit my grandparents. My mother loves spending time with her parents and her brothers and sisters. She talks with them, laughs with them, and helps them if they need anything. She is very generous and never thinks only about herself. In her free time, my mother likes to rest and relax. She enjoys watching TV, listening to music, or reading a book. She also talks on the phone with her friends. Sometimes we go for a walk together. She loves flowers, birds, and the beauty of nature. When we go to the park, she feels happy and peaceful. I admire my mother very much. She is my role model. She is strong, wise, and full of love. She works so hard, but she never complains. She always puts her family first. I love my mother with all my heart. She is not only my mother, she is also my best friend. I feel lucky and proud to have her in my life. One day, I hope I can make her proud. I want to study well, get a good job, and take care of her just like she took care of me. She deserves all the love, respect, and happiness in the world.